Alright, I want to talk about this thing here real quick. It's called moisture. Alright, so I want to talk about the moisture that's in your DTF print because I'm outside, so there's a lot more moisture than in the air than if I was in a controlled area. And I want to show you what too much moisture will do to your stuff. So right there. Alright, I didn't store these in a good area, so like I was supposed to store them in this, right? In a thing like this, all right? And because I didn't store them in something like that, it develops moisture underneath the prints. Now, I want to tell you, it's not moisture that actually got underneath the print. It's just the print absorbed moisture into it, and now when you press it, the moisture is going to come up to the top. That's what you see in here. Let me show you what happens when you peel this. Now, when you peel it off, okay, do you see them? See also all these little shiny, little round, shiny spots? All of them are moisture. All of them. See them? They're all moisture. All the little round spots. They're all moisture. All right. And when I press it again, so we can find another one, show it to you. It does go away for the most part, but I want to show you what it really does to your prints. Alright, so that's not one. That's not one. Give me a second, I'll show it to you real quick. Right here. So after you press it, right? You see it? This is after my second press. See? How it actually this all up in your design, right? Now it will go away. Believe me, it will go away after about 2 or 3 washes, right? So it's not like it's never going to go away. It's going to go away, all right? But it leaves these little imperfections in your prints, and sometimes, if I can get this thing to zoom in properly, if you look close enough, I don't think this camera is going to pick it up, but it actually changes the color of your print too. So it will print, and then right where the moisture points are, I mean, all these little spots are moisture areas. It will actually change the color. So yeah, it will. Whoo, close up. So that will actually, the moisture will actually make your colors look a little off. Again, as soon as you wash it, like once or twice, the technique will go back to normal. But that's what moisture does in a too moist area with your prints if you don't store them properly. Even in an area where we think you control the moisture properly, sometimes it still can suck up moisture. So when you see those little holes in your designs, just know it's moisture, and you need to figure out how to store your prints properly. All right. Peace.
Step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.